Hello, and welcome to Module 8, Conducting Cognitive Interviews and Final Survey Drafts. So this is the module where we are going to put it all together. So first, I just want to congratulate you on the effort and diligence and time that you have put into this course. We have a little bit left to go, and we're in the home stretch. So let's get into it. So your final assignments for this module, you have one reading, some discussion posts, you're going to make edits to your survey, and then we're going to give you some time to reflect on what you have learned this semester and what have you learned through this whole process of developing surveys, conducting cognitive interviews, making edits to your surveys, and so on. In this module, your task is to complete between 4 to 6 cognitive interviews using the protocol that you developed in Module 7. As a reminder, cognitive interviews differ from survey administration in that the purpose of a cognitive interview is to focus on collecting data about the quality of your survey instrument and the capacity of your survey questions to answer your research questions. So in this interview process, you're seeking feedback for the quality, clarity, and in a way, the comprehensiveness of the survey instrument itself. You're not collecting data by administering the survey to respondents. So in other words, those that you're interviewing are giving feedback on the quality of your survey questions, not answering the questions. Before you set up your interviews, spend some time thinking about what you want them to look like. Do you want to conduct the interviews online or in person? How are you going to keep track of your respondents' feedback? Do you want to record the session, have a digital copy of the survey nearby and make edits as you go, or print out a hard copy of the survey and make notes throughout the interview to reflect on later? Additionally, you're going to want to think about your sampling. Start by thinking about who you want in your actual sample when you send your survey out, and then think about how are those people also represented in the cognitive interview process. We had a really great conversation about this in the Module 7 synchronous session, and if you haven't checked that video out already, be sure to check that video out. Remember, you want to aim to conduct between 4 to 6 cognitive interviews, but don't collect data from somebody and not get around to analyzing it. Be sure to honor your respondents' time by reflecting on the feedback from each person you interviewed. Consider how their insights can contribute to your edits and to make improvements to your survey instrument. When it comes time to making those edits, keep track of your original survey items as well as the edits that you make to them. Reflect on the decisions that you're making as you're making these edits and as you're modifying your survey items, and make note of the decisions that you make as you go, and those should be on the document that you submit. And that's it. The exercise of conducting cognitive interviews is truly for you. It's designed to help you get the feedback that you need to make improvements to your survey so that you have a really quality survey instrument to send out when the time is right. So enjoy the process and learn all you can through it. And finally, we just want to say thank you. Thank you for the time and energy that you put into this class. We recognize that the time you invested here also came at a sacrifice to other areas of your life. And we appreciate the effort that you made to prioritize the mental engagement that a class like this demands. So you have one module left, finish well, and then enjoy your summer break. Thanks again for a great semester. Bye.